Welcome to Merchandise Shops. In this video I'm going to show you how to add designs and create products for your merchandise shop. So now we're ready to start adding designs and products to your shop. I think it's best to do this at an early stage before trying to have a look at appearance and themes for your website, because when you've got a few designs on show you can see much better how things are going to look once you've added a couple, and then you can start to play around with your appearance and have a look at some templates. So we'll start by adding a design. We're still with Daisy the Duck, and we are going to go to the Design tab at the top. And at present we have no designs uploaded, so we'll just move over to the right here and add a design. We can browse for the design, and as I mentioned previously, the type of file that we would prefer is a PNG file. We have a file here called daisyduck.png, and this PNG file has a transparent background, which means that the background won't show when it's placed on garments, and also it means by saving it in this format that you and your customers will have the ability to change the colours of the design. So following it down, you first need to click the box to say that you have permission to use the image. And if you want your customers to have the ability to change the colours within the image, then tick that box. Give the design a name. And if you wish, you can give it a brief description, but we'll leave that one blank for now. It's going to appear in our Shop Designs category. The quick launch is if you want it to appear as a feature on the main home page, but we'll leave that one blank. And we'll tick the box that says customer can use as decoration, which means that they can add it to other blank garments, and it will appear at the top of the list. We'll click Save. And it just takes a few seconds for the image to be processed. The system will look at the logo, see how many colours there are in it, and split those colours so that they can be altered at a later date. The image has now been processed, and our Daisy Duck image is in our store designs. And what we'll do is we will go forward and add this to a product. So click on the Products tab at the top. Just takes a few seconds, and our decorated product is empty, so we'll create a decorated product. And for simplicity we'll add it to a unisex t-shirt. Click Continue. So the designer is now loaded, ready for us to add our design. First of all, as part of our logo is blue, we'll just change the colour of the t-shirt. If you just scroll down slightly, all the colours that are available for the garment are shown. We'll choose yellow, and we'll go to the tab at the top to add a design. Now, as you saw, the logo was a two-colour logo, so it's not a single colour, it's a multi-colour. And we have the option of loading a design from the PC, from Instagram, from Facebook, from some stock designs, or a store design. This is one of the designs that I've created, so there it is. It also can be found in store designs. So we'll click on Daisy and select. Daisy now appears, and we'll just make that just a little bit smaller so it looks good on the shirt, and recenter it. There are tools over here to do this as well, especially if you're using an iPad and not a mouse, so it can be moved around and made bigger and smaller and rotated. Just get that looking right, and we'll save and continue. We now need to name our decorated products. We'll call it Daisy the Duck. We won't call it Daisy the Duck t-shirt because this design can be added to other garments and other items. If we click this box, it will call it Daisy the Duck t-shirt, Daisy the Duck mug, whichever the has been added to. Add a brief description. This description can help with your search engine optimization, so the more information in there the better. We're going to have it appearing at the beginning of our list, and we're going to allow our customers to customize the design, so which means they can add words to it, they can add words to the back of the garment, they can change the colors, etc. If you wanted to have it fixed and nobody to mess about with your logo, then you can say don't allow customers to customize. Save and continue. At this point we can add the logo to other products. At the moment we've got the t-shirt there and it's available in all colours. Again, if we only wanted to have selected colours, we can tick here and just tick the colours that we wish to offer. But we'll leave that on all colours. And if we go to the little top right here, just to save time by adding, instead of adding to individual products, if you select products, you can see all the other products that are available to customize. And we will choose there's a tank top. And also a lady's camisole top. Scroll down to the bottom and click save, and the other two products will appear, and we can also choose the default color and select any colors that we do or don't want. So in this case we'll have the tank top in white and the lady's camisole top to appear as its default color in pink. If we save and continue, the products will be processed. All the colours that are going to be available need to be entered, so they are all being processed, and there we go. And we now have a screen showing us the wholesale price, the markup which you can choose, which we'll see in another video, which is your commission, and the retail price is the price that it will show on the website to your customers. Now if you have a particular product which you think that you know you can sell for more than your standard markup, then you can untick and choose a higher price and thus make more profit on that particular shirt. So if we think that this yellow t-shirt is going to sell particularly well, we could change the price to £30. Maybe it's a special event or there's something coming up and you know that there's going to be large sales. So that one can be changed away from the default. We will save and finish. And there we see we have 3 decorated products in our control panel. And as in our previous video, we have 2 browsers running. So we will click just to see how this looks in our website. And we will click on F5, which is refresh, and there we can see our shop products. Unfortunately my phone has just rung, you can probably hear that in the background, so we'll end this video now, and I'll see you in the next video.